All going people, today we're jumping straight into it. This is a must-have for any avid YouTuber, Instagrammer, that's not a word, but someone who does UGC on Instagram, TikTok, you name it. Once you're a content creator, this is a necessary tool to have in your arsenal. The smartphone, of course, and this thing here, this neck mount from NEEWER, well, this brand here. They actually sent this for me to check it out. However, they have zero input into this video. I am free to do whatever I want, and the NEEWER is seeing this video same time as you are. So rest assured, this is my unbiased opinion. This thing is freaking cool. Like, I never knew that I needed this thing until NEEWER sent it over. I was skeptical at first. I was like, what the hell is this thing? Like, another useless gadget that nobody needs. But guys, this thing is cool. Like, you see that? It stays in place. And the key usefulness of this thing is really and truly just the versatility of it all. Like, I can do FPV shots very easily. I'm going to start a video right now. Bam. Alright, these are my hands right here. Do some GTA or whatever kind of FPV. Guys, GTA is not a FPV game, I know that. But whatever. Here's a box. You know, you guys may be seeing behind the scenes right about now, but yeah, this thing is pretty freaking cool. Like, I'm going to be running around the studio right about now. This thing stays in place. My studio is a mess right about now. There's an exercise mat, a garbage bin, and here's pretty untidy, but you guys see what I'm talking about here, right? Like, you see this thing stays in place, right? Yeah, it's enough of that. But this thing is very premium. Like, you can run with it and it stays in place. Like, no issues whatsoever. Like, if you didn't workouts with this thing, it stays in place. So yeah, enough of that crap. But this thing is very useful. Like, I'm videoing right about now. Could easily do first person video. I'm going to be using this a lot now. Whew. I am unfit. I catch my breath for a second here. Damn. The key features of this thing, you've seen how solid this thing is. It has very good weight, especially with the phone on it. It stays, it doesn't wobble around, it doesn't fly around. And that's because of the design, the composition. It is all metal. You saw that too, right? MagSafe, baby. So that's another standout feature, MagSafe. So if you have an iPhone, you're good to go. If you have a phone with a MagSafe capable case, you're also good to go. And in the package, you actually get 2 MagSafe rings that you can attach to your phone or your case to make it MagSafe capable. So they have you covered right out of the box. In the box itself, of course, you get this here, which easily pulls off. You get the neck mount itself, the MagSafe mount as well, and you get a mount for something like a GoPro or, you know, an Osmo Pocket 3 or some other camera. So it's versatile. It's not just restricted to phones, but you can mount cameras on it as well. And it's pretty freaking cool. Like, the mount here itself is all metal, as I said before, very premium. It is very stiff, very versatile. You can pretty much adjust it to any angle you want. Once the phone is added on it, it actually creates a level of balance that allows it to, you know, hold its own. It's able to hold its own weight, able to easily manipulate the phone. Let me put the phone back on it here. Actually, it's very good. I love how sturdy and premium this thing feels, and this is definitely a permanent tool in my arsenal for filmmaking right about now. You know, this thing can easily fit in any backpack, easy to set up, slap it on, you're good to go, you're ready to go right out the gate. Yeah, it's gonna look weird in public, but yeah, who's to tell, if not get a Ray-Ban Meta or something. I'm going to be doing a review on those soon. Very nice sunglasses and excellent cameras if you like 007 with those. But with this, it's a loud kind of 007 kind of thing, because this is like your third arm, your cameraman for those first person shots. It works. Like, there's not much more to be said about this thing. You saw it in action, peeps. I mean, yet again, you see, you have to do a lot to get this thing to really move around, and even now it's not really moving around all that much. I'm just being stupid and doing something exaggerated right about now, but there's not much more to say about this thing, guys. I highly recommend it. Check it out, especially if you're somewhere like in North America. You know, order it off Amazon, check it out. Don't like it, send it back, but I would not send this thing back. I'm amazed by this thing. Thank you, NEEWER. Another gadget that I never knew that I flipping needed, but I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more. So I won't be restricted by my overhead camera here in doing first person shots and unboxings. I can now do more unboxings on the go. I could experiment with those. Let's see. But yeah, guys, love this. Very versatile tool and very affordable. So of course, check the links in the description below. I'll of course leave it in my pinned comment as well. Let me know what you think. Any questions, also ask me in the comments. So thanks again for tuning in, peeps. You don't know, I'll appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course hitting that little notification bell so you know when the next video is out. I've been out of breath for most of this video, but your boy needs to hit the gym. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out and take care.